Well, all seems to be well. It is a bit breezy, but it's definitely very responsive on the ailerons. Nice little bit of rudder input as well. I'm at about half throttle at the moment, so if I go full throttle, she's quick. This has got the hypermotor in, and I'm running a 150 45C lithium polymer battery in it, and it is beautifully aerobatic. Just about rolls. Not quite enough authority to get a clean roll, but lovely feel to it. Wow. Hanging up there a bit on the breeze. Yeah, very good in the turns on the aileron. The only thing I'd say is that the centering isn't brilliant, probably because of the pull-pull system. But as long as you're on the sticks, what a lovely model. Very happy. And with rudder and aileron, very sharp turns. And although it's a bit breezy here, so it's hard to tell the slow speed. Nope. Right, let's try a hand launch. Well, I think battery's gone. These are quite old, these batteries, so I wasn't expecting much out of them. Let's get a new one in. Oh, with a fresh battery, the roll isn't so hard anymore. Feeding a bit of rudder. Nice wing over. A bit of breeze coming through now. Let's get a bit of height just to keep it safe. Oh, let's do another roll while we can. Bit of breeze over there. Using a bit of down elevator through the inverted phase of the roll. Make that look a lot more elegant, but right, well, let's see how she lands. Not this time. Floats too much. Try again. Oh, it's all good practice. Bit of breeze now. You can see she's picking up speed with the tailwind. Yeah, a little bit all over the place with that breeze. Oh, so nearly.